Rebel Sounds Rising with Elephants Dancing, Pat, Tato, and Pucker Up. We missed the Harbor Boys. You couldn't make it. I guess they got sick, I heard.
Who's in there smashing it right now?
Elephants Dancing.
I know I'm too young to feel this way, but I feel time moving and I'm begging, please won't you stay? But I've got two devils on my shoulders. They say I'm never getting older. I blossom under the tall tree, feeding off adversity. Time will be my enemy. Hey. I know I'm too young to feel this way, but I feel time moving and I'm begging, please won't you stay?
Hey there friend, will you buy this ticket? I take it to a reggae show, no, don't miss it. Party people will be bumping to the bubble, drinking, skanking on the double, smoking on ganja. Got a big old bag of the sweet fluffy green, gonna fill my bowl up and have a hit of the acid. I have been set for weeks, but it doesn't bother me. Through everyone I meet, I gather energy, so stop what you're doing and listen. Forget about what trouble your day. The elephants are dancing for a reason, and